Well, hello everybody, welcome back to BareRose Garage. What's going on today? Well, you can see I'm in front of the window here, which means more of you wanted to take part in the broken window challenge and holding this whole quarter glass together while I try to get this car together if I can get the parts. It's getting scary. Anyway, so who wanted to get in on this broken window challenge? Let's take a look. We got Bryce DeCastro with Project Frankenstein. Boom, baby, you're on there. Why? Because you're holding this big old crack together right there. And I know that Frankie's gonna do a dang good job keeping that window together. And we got the big time man right here, Mopar Al, the machine behind Slag Hammer. I'll tell you what, this guy knows how to get it done. And if you haven't heard of Mopar Al and Slag Hammer, well, you're living under a big old rock. Go over and give him a look and check out what he's done. He's just phenomenal. I can't say enough about him. And look at this. He's up over here against Good Luck. Buck does it. That's right. And if you haven't seen what Buck's got going on, he's actually building something that is really cool because it's a car that gets overlooked. I remember seeing him back in the day. I'm not going to give too much away now, but go check him out. It's a Skyhawk, or a Skyhawk, anyway, or Skylark. He's building a 78 Buick Skyhawk. It's not a Nova. Go check him out. He's got some really cool things going on. And he does channel reviews every Saturday just before my live. Hey, go over and take his, give his lives a look too. And then later on, after he's all done, he invites people in and just kind of chats. He's got some really good stuff going on. Go check out Buck. Yeah, Buck does it. Then look at here. Just like brand used. I'll tell you what, if you haven't seen the Krusty Chrysler and RC Industries, you don't know what you're missing. This guy's got it going on. He's got one of the funniest channels too. I mean, I'm not going to give much away. Go check him out. He's got some really good stuff going, and his just like brand used, I'll tell you what, that goes right with what I've got going on here with my slightly unused stuff. So go check out RC Industries. Heck of a cool guy and a heck of a cool channel. Then look at here. We got Full Throttle kind of guy. He is one of the most soft-spoken, coolest guys I've seen. And his channel, you just got to check him out. He's got some awesome stuff going on. And to you, man, thumbs up, man. Keep it coming. You're gonna get there. I know it for sure. And then, good Lord, I can't forget this guy. I put him way back here in the back. Big Mike's Hoopty Barn. Put him over here by BareRose Garage. Why? Because my big brother Hoop there has got to keep an eye on me. Otherwise, no telling what I'm going to do. If you haven't checked out Big Mike's Hoopty Barn, he's got a 51 Cornet that is just, yeah, like I said, I'm not going to give anything away, but you got to go look at Big Brother Hoop. Anyway, so that's everybody that's taken part into the broken window challenge so far, and as you can see, space is starting to fill up, but I got a secret weapon coming just in case this broken window fills all the way up and you decide you want to get in on it too. I do own a hammer, so we just might start on the other side. So, if you want to get in on this broken window sticker exchange, just look up my email. It's on my homepage on the About section. You click on that and then you read the channel description. And down at the bottom there, it says email. You got to click on it and say, "No, I'm not a robot." Push that and it'll tell you my email address. Throw me a line and your address, and I'll throw a bunch of these BareRose Garage stickers in an envelope for you and spit them out your way. And then you can stick them wherever you want to stick them. And yeah, like I said, if you want to take part in the broken window exchange, just send me one of yours and I'll make room for you. So in the meantime, get out there and keep the metal hot. We're all pulling for you.